here, and I'm going to hold the brake in, and it's not recognizing it. It's not starting up. So if your battery's dead or not working, here's what you do. You push the brake in, and you put the corner of this on here and push. It must have been on this side. So there is a fail-safe in here where if the battery's dead, it can still something about electronics, but the chip in here or whatever it is, it can read it, and it happened to be on this side. So if you put it up real close or push it, then it'll turn on with a dead key fob battery. And I'll show you inside here. If I get the camera set up here, you can use this key and you insert it in. Oh, I'll take it out. Hold on. So look, okay, I took the key out. That hole right here, you insert the key in there and twist, and you can open it. I didn't know that. You can open this by putting a key in there. Yeah, I put the key in there and I twisted, and it opened it. And the battery is in here. It's behind the back of the circuitry right here. And I don't know any tricks to open this quickly. Let's use my fingernail. And right there's your battery. This is a CR1632 3-volt battery. And you can pop it out. And you use these little tabs right here. You push that way. And you can pull it out. And you put your new battery in there. I want to go to the big box store right now and buy a new and look for these batteries. 1630. I need to write that down. 1632. And buy a new one because I don't want to keep on pressing this against the engine start stop. So that's how you do that. So if you're in a bind, you're stuck, and oh shoot, your car won't start. Well, there's a couple fail safes in here, and you can still turn on your car. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. This is a Toyota RAV4, and this will work in pretty much any car, any new car with a key fob. All right, have a great day. Need a pair of scissors to get this battery out of this. Man, this is like the hardest plastic material I've ever seen in my life. This crap. Man. Nothing like using one hand to do this. Show where to go. Ew. What is that? What is that? A cat? Oh my goodness. Put that underneath the couch. I got it. Still gotta dig this out. Jeez. One-handed bandit. Really? Why would they do this? This is bad customer service. It's just... Alright, got the dumb thing out. Now I gotta do the key thing, so... Let me get my tripod. My tripod's in here somewhere. There it is. Oh. You don't know what fell. Put you up on a tripod here. Dude, it's all got like KY jelly on this tripod or something. Yuck. Alright. Come on.